Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by installing the Razorpay Flutter plugin and immediately wiring credentials into secure storage, never hardcode keys. Once done, initialize a Razorpay instance in your main app state and register event handlers for payment success, error, and external wallet. Make sure to add Android intent filters and iOS URL schemes. These allow callbacks. While you set build, Gradle Min SDK 21 and iOS deployment target. Create a lightweight test order on the server to return an order ID for the next step. Next, you implement the detailed flow. Fetch a server-generated order ID to prevent client tampering, then compose the options map. Use amount in pays e.g. 10,000 equals rupee 100, include order ID and prefill contact fields. You call Razorpay. Open Options and immediately disable the payment button to avoid duplicates. When a callback arrives, verify the payment signature server-side for authenticity. If verification passes, update order status and notify the user. Otherwise, roll back and log the error. Finally, you finalize by verifying the payment signature on your backend and only then fulfill the order. This prevents fraud. Make sure to test with sandbox cards and simulate network drops. Switch to live keys after full E2E checks. If something goes wrong, check logs, enable verbose SDK logs, confirm webhook deliveries, and ensure your server clock is synced. Signature mismatches often stem from incorrect payload or time drift. If retries are needed, implement idempotency to avoid double charges.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.